What is an official group? An official group is a group created by you, the administrator, for a specific purpose. These groups are designed to serve a variety of objectives, such as event-specific groups. Build a group around a specific event to engage participants before, during, or after the event. Filter-centric groups. Create groups to discuss particular topics, such as professional skills, health, or hobbies, tailored to specific age groups or interest segments or geographic segments. Internal groups. These are not visible to clients but can be used for internal operations, such as marketing campaigns or sending targeted notifications. Official groups give you the power to customize and organize your community experience effectively. Creating a new official group. Building your first official group is an exciting step toward fostering collaboration, engagement, and meaningful connections. Let's walk through the process to ensure your group is set up for success. Step 1. Begin your journey. Click on the Create Group button to get started. This intuitive process will guide you through setting up a professional and impactful group. Step 2. Fill in the details. Group name? Choose a name that resonates with your group's purpose. Make it relevant, engaging, and memorable to attract the right members. Tagline. Add a catchy and inspiring tagline that succinctly defines your group's mission or purpose. This is your opportunity to make a strong first impression. Description. Write a brief yet impactful description outlining the group's objectives, core focus, and the value it offers to members. Clarity and purpose will drive engagement. Group profile picture. Upload a polished professional image or logo to visually represent your group. A compelling visual can significantly enhance your group's appeal and credibility. Step 3. Select your group type. Tailor your group settings to align with your specific goals. Static group. These groups capture a snapshot of records at the time of creation. Records won't automatically update, making it perfect for one-time events or fixed lists. Dynamic group. These groups evolve automatically, updating as record properties change. Ideal for ongoing campaigns, dynamic audiences, or real-time data needs. Step 4. Choose group visibility. Determine who can access your group based on its intended audience. Internal. Perfect for private, team-only purposes such as marketing strategies or internal notifications. This group is hidden from members and remains exclusive to the team managing it. Public. Open to all community members. Enables members to search, join, view messages, and interact with content and other members. Private. Visible only to those you explicitly add to the group. It won't appear in search results or be visible to uninvited members, ensuring exclusivity and discretion. Step 5. Finalize group details. Review your inputs to ensure everything is accurate and reflects your goals. When ready, click Next to proceed to the member selection process. Step 6. Add members to the group. Adding members is seamless and flexible. Select members. Use contact properties or offering information to identify and add relevant members. Search by offering type to quickly find the right members associated with a particular offering. Apply filters. Refine your selection with filters such as first name, last name, industry, payment type, fees, registration date, and more. Preview and confirm. Use the preview feature to review the list of selected members for accuracy. You can also hide the preview from here. When satisfied, click Create Group to finalize your group. Your group is now live and ready to foster engagement. Members can participate via the mobile app, accessing a space designed for interaction, collaboration, and meaningful discussions. That's it. Whether you're organizing event-specific groups, creating topic-focused communities, or managing client interactions, our platform provides the tools to make it seamless and impactful. Start creating your groups today and watch your community thrive.